Some models of the Scan and Cut have Wi-Fi connectivity, and due to an update in 2016, these models can automatically update via Wi-Fi. Here's how. When your machine connects to the Wi-Fi network, it will search for updates. If an update becomes available, a little information icon will appear on screen. Tap on it, and you'll be presented with the information about the latest version of the software. If you're ready to update, click Update, and the machine will then retrieve the file via the Wi-Fi connection, and then it will begin the installation process as well. I have shortened this process a little bit. However, it takes around 2 or 3 minutes in total. You will receive a confirmation to say that the update is complete, and you are then ready to turn the machine off and on again to continue using it.